Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have some swatches of the October Polish Pickup nail polishes. It is absolutely crazy how this year is going by, and I have another swatch video for you on some of the polishes that will be releasing through October Polish Pickup. The theme this time is animation or cartoons, and 5 makers sent me their nail polishes for swatch purposes, and KB Shimmer also sent me her sugar scrub, and oh my gosh, I think that is so far the most delicious scrub I have smelled ever in my life. I just love it. I didn't put it here because it's too bulky, but you will see it in the review portion, and it is really good. Out of the 5 polishes, I think my most favorite is the one from Painted Phalanges. It is Shrek inspired, and Shrek is definitely one of my favorite cartoons, but I also have to point out Colores the Carol because she is bringing us a Scooby-Doo themed polish, and if you watched one of my previous swatch videos, one of the other makers brought out a Scooby-Doo inspired Halloween collection, and I'm just living for those. So those are my 2 favorite this month, but all of these polishes are absolutely beautiful and you won't regret any of them if you decide to pick them up. I will link everything for you in the description box. The store will be open from October 2nd through October 5th. Any of these polishes have any caps, that will be also in the description box. Alright, so I will jump into the swatch portion. If you do enjoy these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on my future polish pickup swatch videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, let's see now how these polishes swatch on my natural nails. If you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. So keep watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.